guys, welcome back to our channel and our current project, which is giving our understairs a much needed makeover. I'm sharing a quick visual reminder of the look I'm hoping to achieve in this space, which is a combination of beauty and functionality. We've made great progress, but the best parts are yet to come. So I finally had a chance to stain our luggage and cleaning supplies cabinet, which was such a workout on my arms. The stain color is English Chestnut by Varathane. It is oil-based and worked really well to add that rich warmth I was going for. I do want to mention the stain had a very strong scent in this small space, and so I eventually grabbed a mask as I continued working on this project. I also took many breaks to rest my arms and to remove myself from the space. I know there are many ways to apply stains, but I like to use a rag and fully saturate it in the stain. I'll then use a secondary rag to wipe off the excess. Since these rags are highly flammable, you can first soak them in water and then hang them out to dry before finally disposing of them in the trash. I won't bore you guys with the entire staining process, so we're skipping ahead to the reveal. I really like this stain color, and I think it's a more durable option than painting, particularly since these cabinets will see a lot of use. Next up was installing LVP flooring. This was Bernard's second time installing LVP, but his first time using a Chevron pattern. We decided to include underlayment, which was not necessary because these LVP have pre-attached underlayment. In our case, it was to raise the LVP flooring to the same height as the porcelain tile that's throughout our lower level. This particular underlayment was easy to cut and install and included pre-taped sides, which was really helpful. It also served as a moisture barrier and worked well to even out our concrete prior to floor installation. There's so much to love about these LVP flooring. Firstly, the color and chevron pattern are what dreams are made of. Bernard really liked the drop and lock installation process, and honestly, it couldn't get any easier. Not only are these planks waterproof, but they're also stain and scratch resistant. You can actually install them over most existing surfaces such as tile, wood, concrete, and vinyl. I'm really not a fan of carpet, and so I'd much rather vacuum and mop these Chevron LVPs. It is recommended to purchase a floor installation kit to help with the process, and that will include spacers, a mallet, a pull bar, and a tapping block. Honestly, with the exception of the spacers, Bernard didn't use these tools very much. Having at least a 1/4-inch spacing between the flooring and your walls is important to accommodate for any future expansion. I would love to see more Chevron LVP in our home, but for now, I am thrilled to even have this space. The last project Bernard tackled was installing 5-inch baseboards for a cleaner, finished look. These are primed MDF boards that were cut and dry fitted before painting them cameo white by Behr. Bernard installed these using his brad nailer, but they still need to be caulked at a later time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.